सो गाइस, हम लोग चॉकलेट कैफ़े से निकल चुके हैं. In the chocolate cafe, Pragya was so excited to have the chocolate. Same for me. We tried all the chocolates and gave you the review how they were. And apparently, खा के हो गया था मन एक दो में. We were wandering around the Zakopane market and the Christmas market. The Christmas market was so beautiful. I would really like you to see it. I will attach a montage here. What's going on here? Guys, मुझे ये खाने का बहुत मन था. मेरे को पूरी ट्रिप में यही खाने के लिए आया था मैं.
एक ले लेते आधा तुम खा
बट मैं खा नहीं पाया इसको.
आधा
मैंने गैस हो गया.
आधा तुम खा लेना.
मैंने गैस हो गया. It looks so good.
खाते ना थोड़ा सा.
बेबी मेरे गैस हो जाएगी. Look at the size of the bread. Like look at this. Oh my god, this looks so tasty. They're making. It's really nice. So basically they put bread, like meat on the bread and onions, and the breads are this big. So they are giving pastas. It's basically pasta in Parmesan. They give hot wine here. So basically mulled wine. They are also giving the Govanka, but they are slowly heated over this thing. This would be so nice to eat. And this is shashwiki. This is called shashwiki. And some onions. Oh my god, this is pierogi heaven. So you can see different kind of pierogis here. What are these? Cherry. They are cherry pierogis. Malina. Vishnya. Shaprashan. Vishnya pierogi. I think these are potato cheese. Ruski. Ukrainsky. Ukrainsky. Spinach is kapusta zhibim. Basically this is cabbage plus mushrooms, and this would be with meat. So this one is with meat. You can have it with caramelized onion and the different onions, and you also have some cream. This is a pierogi heaven. This is grill smrekov. I think this is onion with some kielbasa. These are roasted potatoes, 2 different kinds. Sausages with some pork chops. This again is Govanka, which I really wanted to try, but I couldn't this time. And these are shashwikis. Basically they are cooking. You can see how good they look while they cook. More shashwikis, and the sausages, they are fucking huge sausages. Look at this. This is heaven, meat heaven. Lelo. Barsh, pomidorova, chosunkova. I'm actually hearing about chosunkova for the first time. Okay, Jarjanova is vegetable. Denova, pumpkin soup. This is quite popular in autumn. Grochova, basically pea soup. Żurek is really popular. Żurek and barsh are one of the most popular soups in Poland. Then we have other ones, and also bigos is not soup but actually a meal which is made of kapusta and beef, and it's cooked for long hours. This is a pumpkin soup. This is most popular in autumn time because the pumpkin produce is peaking at that time. Then we have garlic. This is barsh. This is the soup that you have on Christmas for your Christmas celebrations. It basically beetroot soup. Okay, This is something very new that I just saw. So basically ये लोग इस ब्रेड को, ये वाली जो ब्रेड है, पहले तो उसको भरते हैं with some sugar of different kinds and all this sweet stuff and chocolate ganache. इसको अंदर डालते हैं. You can see they are making. Guys, but this is a pretty city. Krakow is a pretty city. Krakow, I came here for one day, but I fell in love with you.
lot of cultures are there, but they are also really conservative. ये तुम vlog मत बनाओ.
Why?
About this?
Yeah.
And then next day,
मैं cancelled
front
out हो
page.
जाऊंगी.
Yeah.
Why? But तुम international वो हो, like no. I need content, bro. Baby, छूना नहीं.
Hello, maybe you'd like to go for a ride? I invite you.
No, thanks.
It's nice. A little orthodox, but nice.
Yeah.
ये कौन है ये?
इसको धर्म परिवर्तन कराना है क्या? इसको अपने रिलीजन में वो नहीं है.
सारे भगवान चाहिए.
हाँ, आई थिंक इसको सारे भगवान चाहिए. किसी दिन शफी को कॉल करी हुई. शफी यार,
यार
कैसे यार करते हैं यार. मैं
थोड़े से अपने भगवान को बोलो ना.
यार नवाज लिख के भेज देगा यार. मैं ना
कितनी बार करनी होती है? एक बार चल जाएगा.
गॉड लिसन टू यू.
Always. हर 5 मिनट में बताना पड़ता है मैं यहाँ हूँ.
लोकेशन अपडेट.
बोले पे प्लीज जीपीएस का ट्रैक.
She goes to the nearest office. Yes.
That's a taxi.
Yeah. Like, okay, I'm in this location, God.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Keep your eye on me.
यहाँ पे कुछ फनी सा दिख रहा होगा. This cycle is made up of mirrors everywhere. You can see me there, and that is Pragya.
It's from the mirror maze.
So I show Speed came here, so probably I also have to come here for sure. So guys, Christmas market is done. We have been to the Christmas market. It is so amazing as compared to Warsaw. I can say that the Christmas market here is so much happening and so much better. And you can see Christmas trees at every corner. I don't know how and why, but there are Christmas trees at every corner. We just saw a Christmas tree back, but now there is a Christmas tree right here. And this also looks amazing. So,
उधर चलना है क्या?
Krakow,
अगर खुली हो, I don't.
you have impressed me, for sure. You have impressed me. Adolf.
You will. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do.
If you find a weekend, leave Warsaw on Friday, come back Sunday morning, so you can recharge. Monday you can go to work. Or if you follow this channel, we don't have to work. We can take you to more places. We can take you
Then,
to more
but you have
When
to work more on the vlog.
It's
Editing
fine.
part is a very
We will make vlog of Gunjan.
Bro, but
24 hours in the life of Gunjan.
you're working while traveling. Come on, you're getting like this kind of discounts and all. Guys, so now we are just roaming around in the old town.
This is so beautiful.
And
So beautiful.
Yeah.
seeing things
Look
here
at
and
this
there,
here as
the
well. It's so
infrastructure, the shops, the everything here is so beautiful. It's
elegant.
so elegant. Just looking like a wow. Just looking like a
Wow.
so yeah. After सारी चीज़ें, अब हम रैंडमली ओल्ड टाउन स्ट्रोल कर रहे हैं एंड हर चीज़ देख रहे हैं कि कौन सी चीज़ अच्छी है, कौन सी चीज़ अच्छी नहीं है. Buildings and everything here is so beautiful. We love it. We have time until like midnight because our train is at midnight. So we have some time to kill. So this is the best way to kill time, is to stroll around the city and see around the infrastructure and everything. And actually at the Christmas time city is light up, like हमारे हिंदी में बोलते हैं दुल्हन की तरह सजी हुई है. So basically पूरी सिटी दुल्हन की तरह सजी हुई है. तो आपको हर जगह जो इसकी ऑलरेडी कोर सुंदरता है ना, वो और सुंदर ही सुंदर दिख रही है. So it's really nice to see everything around here during Christmas time. It's like on the peak. भाई ड्रैगन स्टोन है ये, यहीं पे रह रही थी डेनेरिस. क्या एक्सप्लेनेशन दे रखी है?
I didn't read the whole thing, but it's basically dedicated to some district and the church of that district.
That building, the whole building.
No, the model of that building.
Yeah, the model of the whole building.
Something. I didn't read the whole thing. Something like I was just impressed that it's also written in English, which was impressive, considering we are in Poland.
So guys, ये बेसिकली जो होते हैं ये आपको पूरे क्राकोव में हर जगह मिल जाएंगे. These are basically street arts. If I am not wrong, if I am wrong, please correct me. But these are just to convey art in Krakow and Poland colors, as it mentions here. So like सारी चीज़ें आपको दिखेंगी, लाइक चैपल, कैथेड्रल, सारी कैसल, सबके एसेंस दिखेंगे आपको पूरे ऊपर से लेकर नीचे तक. एंड दे ट्राई टू रिप्रेजेंट पोलैंड. लाइक आप इसके ऊपर देखो तो इसके सबसे ऊपर जो है वो एक ईगल है जो रोटेट कर रहा है. दैट इज़ द सिंबल ऑफ पोलैंड. बाकी ये सारा आपको जो दिख रहा है, दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स द चैपल and cathedral. So this is a mixture of cathedral plus the castle. What?
I don't know if I can tell her. You said not to tell.
तुम लोगों ने मैं स्नोर कर रही थी जब मैं ड्रंक थी, तो मैं स्नोर कर रही, तुमने उसका वीडियो निकाला है?
नहीं तो कुछ भी.
अगर तुमने ऐसा वैसा गंदा मेरा कुछ ब्लॉग में डाला, देखना रिपोर्ट कर दूंगी. Actually, I was telling that I'm so curious to see the final vlog because he has taken videos at every spot we went and they given the information. So I'm like curious how he will edit it, cut it, and put the background music or some fun parts. So I'm curious, and he said, yeah, of course he will add the. It will be good to see you snoring. Yeah, because you took video of me snoring. I wasn't snoring, you were snoring.
I'm also gonna appear maybe if you filmed it, but we filmed you together.
I actually saw your snoring.
Yeah.
So that's when I picked up the camera, but you stopped.
Yeah.
But then Gunjan started.
इसका बंद हो गया, मेरा चालू हो गया. बहुत शाने हो तुम.
Hello. रुक जाओ भाई. Before you guys go, thank you for watching the video, and if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Thanks. एंड भाई जो भी बाकी चीज़ें होती हैं, लाइक कमेंट करो, लाइक करो, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो, एंड लाइक आई डोंट नो, करो भाई, कुछ तो करो, कुछ करो भाई, थोड़े व्यूज़ लाओ यार, एंड थोड़े सब्सक्राइबर्स लाओ. एंड सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अगेन, एंड सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन. लव यू.